What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw the notorious Goku Black. Okay, back with another tutorial. This time we are going to draw Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black. As you can see, I started by drawing a perfect square. Each side is 4 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. And without further ado, let's get started. We'll draw his face by using 5 lines. This is gonna be a frontal pose. Then we'll use this guideline to mark his hairline. And from the middle of the square we'll draw the wrinkles between the eyes, following up with the eyebrow, and we'll use 3 lines to create the eye. Draw the iris at the middle but slightly to the left side. Add the famous cheek marks by using 2 diagonals and some curves, and indicate the bump above the eye. Awesome, so we are going to do the same process for the left side, using the square to keep the right symmetry. Sweet, once it's done, it's time to draw the nose. We'll do that by using 5 lines following the next steps. And then we are going to give him a malicious smile with one side of the mouth going up a bit. We'll add some wrinkles, indicate his chin, and then it's time to draw the ears. So first we're going to start by drawing the shape of the ears. We'll do that by using 4 lines, and then we'll add the rest of the details inside. Next we'll draw 4 spikes of hair from the front. We'll cover the eyes a bit to make him look more dramatic. And then we'll draw his famous Potara earring. We'll draw 2 lines to create the neck. And as you can see, the neck is not as wide as Goku because Goku Black is a bit skinnier. Next, we're going to create a rough shape of the torso. And then we'll add the details by first starting with his collar. Next we'll draw his gi by adding some nice creases. and then we'll draw his arms. Indicate the chest muscles just by using some curves. Awesome, and now we can draw the rest of the hair. So we'll start by drawing 2 spikes on each side. Then we are going to use this guideline to help us draw the rest of the spikes. This will help us keep the same symmetry and the right proportions. And to create the spikes, I'm using 2 to 5 lines. Next, we'll get rid of all the unnecessary guidelines. And then we'll add some detail to the hair simply by drawing some lines with the direction of the spike. Awesome, now it's time for the shading process. So we are going to start by marking all the shaded areas, and for this drawing I want the main light source to come from the left side, which means that the right side will appear darker. Awesome, and now it's time for the cross-hatching technique. So what we are going to do is basically draw some straight lines, some diagonal lines with the same distance from one to the other. And if we want one area to appear darker, we'll simply draw another set of diagonal lines, but this time in the opposite direction. And if we want to get an even darker tone, we'll do the same, but in a different angle. Awesome, so we are going to do the same process for this entire piece. Next, to make the drawing a bit more interesting, we are going to color the earring. We'll use some green tones for that. We'll start with the brightest tone and then moving to the darkest tone. Next, I want to use a geometrical shape. We'll use the triangle and the pink color just to match his Super Saiyan Rose hair color. And to finish up, we are going to color the eyes by using a gray or a silver color pencil. And as you can see, I'm leaving a blank area on the far left to create a nice highlight. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black. I hope you guys and girls enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. And make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new. I upload new drawing tutorials every week. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always. And I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace.